Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigators and this is today's market recap and update for April 21st, 2020. So if you look at the future E-mini SP 500, that's the one that I always looking at because it's 24-hour running. So today, the first time that on the daily chart, yeah, to be able to break below a upper support trend line, so that the first side that it will show you that the market it will be in the correction mode for a little bit before we can see clearly where they want to go. Because most of people out there, because they think that this is ABC after ABC and then they will go down here. Okay, so at this moment, I don't think that's the case. Okay, so I think that the market will put it back up. They, of course, because they have been running since March up to April right now, so they have to pull back a little bit so that they can digest, all again here before they can build some momentum and then go higher. So we will analyze the chart, whatever the chart tell you, that's what it is. Okay, so we have no idea. We don't care about what people say. We just look at the chart. When the chart tell you it's going down, we will stick with the downside. When it go up, we stick with the upside. So in the shorter time frame right now, you can see that after the market, it couldn't make a higher high, and now they continue to going down in the downside. So how far they will go down? That's a good question. For me, I think right now we are top right here at the first level of support. We try to find the way up a little bit before we can head it a little bit down here to support here. And at this level, we will monitor more carefully to see that they be able to hold up at this level and then rebound on the upside or not. If they cannot do that, and then definitely the trend will be go a little bit further down on the daily chart. Okay, so that's what we have for the SP 500. Let's see another index. It's very interesting on the oil index. Oil, the future crude oil is crazy. They go up, okay, they pull back down. So right now they are in the buy zone. So this is a very critical area for the oil. So in our live trading room this morning, we already wrote a box here. So this is the buy zone. So the key thing here is when are you going to buy? So you need to wait for the confirmation. Okay, so right now, every time they put it back up, they slam it down, they put it back, slam it down. So in order for them to give you a first sign of going up, they have to go above it moving average, okay, and then give you the first sign they be able to hold up above the moving average so that they can push it back up. So, but technically on the bigger time frame, this is a buy zone. This is the weather area that you have to watch out. In the institution, they will step in and then they will put it back up. Let's see where they will go. Okay, so right now we look at for a lot of oil stock. Okay, so this is look at the SPY, which is Spider, the proxy for the SP 500. Right now we break at the upper trend line, so definitely we will find a way to come down before we can get back up. And a lot of stock at the oil stock, they still hold up pretty well, as you can see. So they gap, they pull back, so they hold up, they pull back. So as long as they still hold up above here, and then they be able to break out the downtrend line here. That will be the first sign that they be able to go back up. So this is the big guy. It's a chevron also. It's very similar. So you need to waiting for the confirmation before you jump in. And then you can see right now that they are still moving around the channel here. So they'll be able to get out. That's the first sign that they will move it back up. So this is what I have update for you today, and then let's see where the market is about to go next, and then we will inform you day by day and let you know where the market heading to. So all you do is just right now stay home, and it is a good chance for you to learn and practice. So if you like the video we make for you, just subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below. or you can check our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. If you would like to learn how to trade, how to understand financial market, how to read the chart. So it's not what people say, it's not what the new out there. Whatever you see in the chart here, if you know how to read the chart, you understand how the market move, you understand the market psychology, you'll be able to see where any symbol that we're heading to. Again, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.